Hey crafters, it's Leo with Dreaming Tree. As we wrap up another creative year, we've got a fun little project to help you ring in 2026 with sparkle. Our updated New Year's Eve photo props. These playful glasses come together quickly, making them perfect for last-minute party prep or adding a festive flair to your photo booth. But before we dive in, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. This past year has been full of change for us, especially the move over to Creative Fabrica. It was a big step, one that came with some ups and downs, but looking back, it was absolutely the right one. We felt so supported by all of you who made the leap with us, who stuck around and who continue to craft along with us. Your kindness and encouragement have meant more than you know. So as we head into a brand new year, let's celebrate not just with glitter and glue, but with gratitude. Let's make something joyful together. Okay, so for those of you that did this last year, pretty straightforward. Here's the updated version. White is gonna go on the back. We're gonna glue the gold foil on top. And I have a different style of gold foil that has a cool little texture on it. That other gold, the mirror foil, lately I've not been a huge fan of it. It kind of doesn't cut very clean, and it has nothing to do with the machine. It's just, I think it's just the way it's built. I'm not a huge fan of it. And it's always fun to try some different papers from time to time. I think you would agree. Okay, so we're gonna pop that right on top, like so. And then we have one more layer that's gonna go on top of that. And basically we're just gonna take this, and I already have my hot glue warming up, and we're going to hot glue this to a dowel. You can probably get away with just using a little hibachi stick in case you don't want to use an entire dowel, but I'm gonna take this glitter layer now. Oop, there's a little star there that didn't pop out. Double check that. That happens occasionally with thicker materials like this. And we'll just apply our glue. And there's another set of glasses that are similar as far as the assembly. They just don't have the year on them. I'll probably just use the assembly from the previous year and include it in this updated one. So I'm not going to go through that one, but there is that. And that is pretty much it. Just make sure it's nice and aligned. That's super cool. So last year, you guys made these and posted them in the Dreaming Tree group. Would love to see those smiling faces posing with the glasses, ringing in the new year for 2026, like we did last year. I really look forward to seeing that. So hopefully, this was kind of last minute because I was working on some Cricut videos the last 4 days, and should have thought ahead a little bit and gotten these out sooner, but that's that. And then, just because I'm a perfectionist, I took this dowel and I painted it black. And all you're gonna do, I'm gonna put it here because most people are right-handed. We're just gonna put some hot glue right there. And what is going on with this thing? Hello? Oh, there we go. It wasn't in all the way. Could have put a good dab of hot glue on there. And let me turn that off. And just make sure that it's kind of tucked behind the actual glasses there. Keep it nice and straight. And let that set. And I would just wait a few extra moments while it completely dries, but let's see, is that pretty straight? Yeah, it looks good, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I would let that fully set before you do anything, but that's it. And there you have it, ready to go. Super cool. Can't wait to see your version. Can't wait to see your smiling faces in the Dreaming Tree group. So hopefully you make one of these and post a photo. And again, I want to thank everybody for making the leap and joining us over at Creative Fabrica. It's been a little bit of a whirlwind of a year. 2026 is going to be awesome, I'm sure. And I look forward to seeing you there. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you very soon.